Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I hot oil treat my hair, okay? AKA pre-pooing my hair. What I just found out is pre-pooing is not only using oils. You can pre-poo using a conditioner. You can pre-poo using like a hair mask. So you can use anything prior shampooing your hair. Hey, see, you learn things every day. I mean, it's common sense, but what I've learned on YouTube was pre-pooing is using an oil first and then using your shampoo afterwards. So, yeah. But anyways, so I am saturating my hair with some water. I almost fell. But yeah, I just saturated my hair with some water. Yeah, I almost lost my life, bro. And with your fingers, you want to part your hair. Okay, it just makes things easier. Right now, I'm just trying to find that permanent part that I always have. Down the middle and then across from ear to ear. Okay, there you go. And then because my hair it's a little longer, I will separate it and then bantu knot each section. You can use clips, you can use scrunchies, however make life easier for you, okay? So I'm just showing you guys exactly what I do to pre-poo my hair. I am trying to be consistent when it comes to the pre-pooing and when it comes to the things that I do use in my hair. I am trying to grow my hair back. My hair has gotten thicker. It's not where it was before the damage, okay, but it's getting there, okay? Compared to before, I will post pictures. Compared to before, yo, my hair was bad. It was bad. I still have to do a lot of trimming. I'm not gonna say a lot, but like a good 2 inches of hair has to come out, especially towards the back middle. You can tell like some of the hair is breaking off at the tips. Like towards the back it's really thin, but it is still full, and that's the goal. With your wide tooth comb, you want to start from the tips, make your way up. My hair was not that matted. What I like doing is finger detangling it first and then using the wide tooth comb to finish it off. I'll be applying my H2 oil. You can find this oil at www.houseoforganicbeauty.com. All the information will be in the description box. So when washing my hair, majority of the time, like 95% of the time, I do leave the twists in, okay? Sometimes I do just 4 twists, okay, 4 large twists, or sometimes I would create several sections, like 6 sections, and then wash my hair that way. It is so much easier washing your hair in twists because it's just, especially my situation where I don't use my house water to wash my hair, so therefore I don't use my shower. I still have to use the bucket because I am still using the gallon water. So it's just easier for me to manipulate. It's easier for me to just get into my hair without me breaking my back. I still use a shampoo bowl, of course, but for my family. But when I used to use it, I would have to bend over and my back would hurt and water would get in my face. It was just too much. And plus, I miss washing my hair in the shower a lot because in the shower, I don't know, washing your hair can be very therapeutic. What I do is pretty much have a stool in my shower and then have my bucket that has 6 gallons of water in there. And then I have this little handheld cup. Each section, rinsing my hair off slowly, okay, slow pace. That's how I was able to go from using 12 gallons of water to now 6 gallons of water, because that's all you need. And that's for the length of my hair. So if your hair is shorter, you'll probably end up using only 4 gallons. But then again, it also depends if you're like doing mad steps like pre-pooing, shampoo, deep condition, mask, and all that stuff. So yeah, but 6 gallons is honestly the average that a person should use when washing their hair if you do go this route. I do have a video where the first time using gallon water, and it was an epic fail. I ended up using 12 whole gallons and I had ran out. It was just hell. So that's why I had stopped for a little while, but had I kept going, I wasn't going to lose as much hair as I did. So I am so excited that my hair is getting thicker. This oil really helped my hair to get thicker. So make sure you try it, you know. And I also have a kit, a Loving My Crown kit. It has all the essentials that you need. You can also add your leave-in water-based leave-in conditioner inside the bag as well. And you can travel with it, whether it be from one room to the next inside your home or you're going out of town. It's very convenient and it's like you just take it and go. So hey guys, okay, so I just finished washing my hair. This is the amount of hair I lost, not that much. So what I ended up doing is washing my hair with this product called Alodia Hair Care. Okay, it's by this young lady right here. What I did was, wash my hair with the Alodia Hair Care black soap shampoo and the moisturizing shampoo, and then I went ahead and used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Deep Conditioning Mask. I have a feeling to use my Cantu this time. Okay, my hair, as you can see, it's not the same. It is not the same, but it is getting there. The density really came through, okay? So my density came back, not 100%, probably like 80%. That's why I am using my hair thickening oil to get that density back again, okay? A lot of people say that, well, some people say that oils don't grow your hair or it doesn't make it thick. I beg to differ, okay? That's false because I have proof. Like if you've seen my daughter's hair, that's proof in itself. Yep, the way it's feeling right now, it feels amazeballs. Yes, come through Cantu. I don't think you understand. I have missed Cantu. I forgot my butter. I haven't used Cantu for like, there was one point I didn't use it for like maybe a year because my hair did not like it anymore because of the water. And I brought it back and it was like, it's okay. It wasn't the same, but today is it's just giving me life right now. Like, yes. Shedding wasn't bad in the shower. Cantu's coming through. Yes, amen. I will add my butter later on, like probably the next 2 days. I will add the butter to the ends. Okay, adding my oil. You can also add the oil to your scalp as well. It is better when you work in sections, to me. If you have, especially if you have long, thick hair, long, fine hair, long hair, short, thick hair, working in sections just makes the job easier. You're not gonna panic. You're not going to hate wash day or hate moisturizing day. It's because you're taking control, okay, of the experience by, so you would get your favorite leave-in conditioner, then use the oil, apply, and I will use the butter and then put it on the ends. Some people's hair loves butter throughout, like my oldest daughter. Her hair loves, honestly, just loves oil and butter. That's it. That's how her hair has been thriving. So just oil and butter. Of course, water for hydration, but oil and butter makes her hair extra soft. That's it. I think that's it. My edges are slowly growing back. You can see the little P's. Yep. Did I do the side? You know, I'm tripping today. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, just work in sections. Take your time and use products that works. That's it. Like, make your hair care regimen as basic as possible. The average hair growth for a person is half an inch a month. Okay? Give yourself grace. Even if you see a little bit of growth, pat yourself on your back. That means something's happening. And I definitely would recommend you getting your Loving My Crown kit. Oh, snap. Bro. I recommend you using a towel on your clothes because I'm going out and I'm I'm actually getting my clothes dirty, like with oil, and you know oil. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me just, this is the crown of my hair, sort of, so let me just comb. Being very gentle. I don't know, I start sometimes, it depends. I start sometimes from the root, kind of breaking that hair up, okay? Because there's still hair growing from the breakage I experienced a few years back. Okay, so let me just give you a quick style. My hair did come a long way. It still have a long way to go, but it did come a long way. Oop. And there's some breakage in the back, like the ends. I know I have to trim because it's thick and then thin. So I know I have to trim it. I was thinking about dyeing my hair jet black, but I am so obsessed with this color at the end. I don't know. I don't know what to do. But I want to dye my hair jet black because I love that color too. And I don't want to keep dyeing my hair, you know? Because that's a no-bueno. So we'll see. If one day I post a video and my hair is jet black, just know I did it. So I am going to style. I really hate parting. I don't know. I think that's just a lot. I don't know what to do. I don't think I need the part to be that deep, but oh my goodness, this feels, oh my gosh, this feels amazing. It's bringing me back. Yes. Hopefully next wash days feels the same because my hair be tripping. Bipolar. Okay, so I'm just bringing it back into like a loose bun. I want to do a loose bun. I don't want to keep pulling my hair too much because I do this style a lot when I don't have my twist in. Okay, get your medium bristle brush. Okay, kind of smooth it a little bit. In your package, you will get a little brush, not like this though, a traveling size brush. It's so, bro, so cute. I didn't show it in the video, but it is so cute. It's so little. It's not like little, but you know what I mean. Okay. I don't know what to do. Because I don't want to look like no Zoe, you feel me? My pants are like history. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. But yeah, you can go out like this. I like protecting my ends, so this is a no bueno for me. You could put it up in like a little bun. I'm just trying to be realistic, guys, because I don't even know how to style it for church tomorrow, but I have to figure it out. So I'm just temporarily going to, because I have to go out, so I'm temporarily going to just rubber the tip real quick, okay, as so, and then kind of tuck that in. I need hairpins. Great. Kind of tuck it in. I'm gonna tuck it in under the rubber, what's it called? Scrunchie. I tucked it in under the scrunchie. See? Okay. Yo, I remember my bun used to be bigger than this. Like, okay, we're not doing that. And then I would brush. I know it's not tight, but put a little makeup on if you wear makeup, you know. Definitely going to clean it up for church tomorrow. Okay, so your hair should stay moisturized. If you're using the right moisturizer, it should stay moisturized for about a week, to be honest with you. Minimum, I would say 3 days, 3 to 4 days. It should still be moisturized. Sometimes your hair is in need of just water, okay? Just water when you still feel the, something's floating in my water, bro. What is this? You see it? That is nasty. I don't know what that is. Is this rice, bro? When you have children, right? But anyways, but yeah, so when you like kind of feel that your hair still have products in it, but it just feels dry, but you still feel that it has products, you just go ahead and just add some water to rehydrate it, and then that's it. You can add just a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to add on top of it, just a little bit though, or a little bit of oil just to kind of like revive it, and then that's it. So if you follow the steps on my Loving Your Crown cards, then it should be easier to kind of manage your hair, because now you know the steps and things and certain tips on what to do and what not to do. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please hit me down below, leave a comment, and tell me about your hair care regimen and what you do to take care of your hair and how you take care of your hair. Yeah, so make sure you go visit my store. You'll find a t-shirt. You'll find the Loving My Crown cards there. You'll find my hair products there as well. That'll kind of jumpstart your hair care journey. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, guys, be blessed. And remember to pray always. Deuces.